Assalamualaikum everyone. Most of you have seen or already made paper circular lanterns, but today we will be teaching you how to make easy rectangular lanterns for kids. All you need is thick cardstock paper.
Welcome to Safwan Create.
The first thing you need to do is draw a line straight down on the right side of the paper, which is about 1 centimeter from the edge of the paper. This will be a tab that you will later fold and use to glue your lantern together. Next, you will need to make a line straight down at the middle of the remaining of the paper, ignoring the tab. Then make lines in the middle of the two halves. Make a horizontal line less than a quarter of the way from the bottom of the paper. Do the same at the top of the paper, but you can leave a little bit more space. Next, you need to find the midpoints of each of the sections at the top, and you're going to go ahead and make triangles at the top. After you're done making those triangles, you are going to make a tab on the right of the triangle, and this will be used to fold the triangles to put your lantern together. Cut out only the parts that are in black in this picture. Now you need to get a white or yellow paper. It can be construction paper or any paper. It does not have to be cardstock. Make thick diagonal lines. And then you're going to crisscross the diagonal lines. So this would make diamonds. And try to keep the lines thick. I'm using a Sharpie here. You can use a pen, markers, anything you have. And then you're going to go ahead and cut them out in the middle of the line so all the diamonds have a black border. These diamonds are going to give a cutout light up effect without having to cut out your actual lantern. Now comes the fun part. You're going to glue the diamonds on your lantern in any pattern that you want. So we had a really big size paper for this lantern, so we did 5 on the bottom and 1 on the top of each side of the lantern, but you can do any pattern that you want. These diamonds are supposed to resemble light coming through the lantern without actually having to cut out the lantern. So this is one of the ways that this craft is easy for kids. They don't actually have to make all these cutouts. They can just cut out the diamonds and glue them on top. If you haven't already, cut out the portions marked in black as well as the circled lines. Now you're going to start folding all the tabs backwards and all of the sides of the lanterns. Using glue, tape, or a hot glue gun, you are going to secure a ribbon or string at the back of one of the sides of the lantern at the top. Next, you're going to fold and glue each side to the next side of the lantern using the tabs at the top and the bottom of the lantern. Let us show you one more lantern that is being made. This one is a white one and it is much smaller than the first one. It's about half the size. But the procedure is exactly the same. Our lanterns are finished and they look great. We hope that you have enjoyed this craft and we hope that you will try it as well.